Sir, this place better be immaculate with the gas that we use.
I need a gear check.
This is good. Oh, I had it in the GT3, remember?
Oh,
yeah.
Fucking hardcore. It's inside there. It's just a 3.0 V6, but it's still fast. Because it's the S.
Oh, the same one as the OS5, I think.
Bryce says that this breakfast place, he'll swear by it. Like he'll say that if it's not good, you can have the M5. So I'm like, damn. Deal.
You're switching location. The one that I told you was good was the one in Stuart, but you don't wanna drive too far. So if it's not as good, it's not my fault. No,
man. I mean, it's ultimately the same thing. Follow the recipe. All right, so here are the cars that are going to be participating in the rally. It's a Porsche Macan S and an F90 M5. Obviously, I will not be able to catch up to this car. I might be able to hold on to the Macan, but we're not going to try to race today. Today is all about taking it slow and easy. Obviously, here is my beautiful 2010 Camaro SS, aqua blue metallic.
Think I'm aggressive? No.
How are you, babe?
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, so I was saying that Bryce swears on his life that this is the best place ever. And he's like, if it's not good, it's because it's a different location. It's the bumps. The turnpike sucks. I don't know why we came on it. Okay guys, so the whole purpose of this was to really make a vlog of us trying this breakfast place and just taking out the car for a little bit. And I'm trying really hard to speak over this obnoxious drone that I'm experiencing. And my car is completely straight pipe. There's only high flow cats. But essentially, if you go at 2,000 RPM, which is right around 85 miles per hour cruising speed, it is unbearable. You would have to put some music on to really compensate for that. Babe, can you attest to that?
Yes.
So if you drive this under 2,000 RPM or maybe 75 miles per hour, the drone won't be as bad. But you know, this is something that you guys have to be aware of if you plan on straight piping your car. And I've already mentioned this in a why straight pipe your car video, basically explaining that in depth and trying at different RPMs. But right now, off the bat, it is an uncomfortable drive in the sense of sound. The coilovers that I have are, you know, depending on where you are driving, they are a bit rough, especially when you have like areas like the turnpike that they're just very imperfect and have so many bumps and falls. It's not the best and most comfortable ride, but once you go on, you know, clear roads and you have a decent exhaust setup that's not straight piped, this will be a miraculous drive, especially if you're going on long road trips. So this is what I'm talking about. So if we go down 2,000 RPMs, let it cruise control, the drone is not nearly as loud as before. A lot more manageable, tolerable rather. There you go. This is like 1800, and obviously with cruise control it'll sometimes elevate to compensate for going up hills and whatnot. But in terms of like the ride quality, there's some bumps here and there. I mean, these are coilovers and I have them on the medium suspension dampers. It's not bad. What do you think of the ride, babe? Like it's aside from the exhaust sound and the drone, this is quite comfortable. And the Recaro seats too are, I mean, you fit so nicely in them, babe. We just got some like out of the blue rain. I'm telling you, we're in a simulation, babe. Like, they don't want us to eat good. Oh, and check out the Transformer Edition Camaro V6. You know, that's actually what I wanted to get. I wanted to get Bumblebee.
I like your color better.
Yeah, me too. Let's catch up to the rest of the group. We're just, we're in our own little zone. More rain. Glorious. How crazy, like the transition between cloudy, boring, disgusting weather and then beautiful, like sunny. Oh my god, dude, it's so simulation, man. And I love that voodoo blue too, man. It's such a nice color. Look at the M5, it looks so aggressive in the side view mirror. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's crazy, man. This dude is crazy. Oh my god. Yo, yeah, no, this is where I call it quits, man. No, I'm not doing that. Like, that's a swimmer. That's a swimmer.
My palms are sweating.
I know, me too. You know, I had to do a little bit for the show. Bro, this guy was swimming, literally swimming. All right, let's get a little sound clip here.
I need an ear check when I get out of here.
Yes. Oh my gosh, dude, it's so ridiculous. Like, I love and hate it at the same time, you know? All right, guys, so we just made it to the location. It's called Planet Fitness. Oh wait, no, it's not Planet Fitness.
Very fresh.
Very fresh, that's the place. So,
Fresh cafe.
oh my god, everybody's looking at my car and they're like, this nuisance of a human
We
being.
aren't in Miami anymore.
Dude, I'm telling you, everybody's like, get this degenerate out of here, please. Sir, this place better be immaculate with the gas that we used.
And look at the line.
Yeah.
There's a line like this, you know.
It's flame.
Yeah.
Jesus. Was this town ready for my straight piped Camaro? Bro, everybody was like glancing and like glaring like,
why?
idiot. So we're taking guesses of how much this trade-in would be. It's in good condition.
I would say 45.
I say
52?
I say 42.
Very good,
42.
probably.
42, 45, 52.
It's very good, my food.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not
very
excellent, it's very good. Please God.
Every time I do this, I see my value and I'm like,
Damn it.
The 62,000 miles is what,
Is what kills it 100%.
so help me
39.
God.
Oh, who's the closest? 42.
No,
Bro.
Privately 42.
Oh, okay. All right, so here is how the restaurant looks like. It is 12:45, so I'm probably gonna do either brunch or lunch. Let's see. I think I'm gonna be trying the Nashville hot chicken sandwich. That's the one that Bryce is suggesting. What are you gonna get?
I have no
Are
idea.
you gonna get brunch or are you gonna get lunch?
That's what I'm trying to figure out because I'm pretty hungry.
Yeah. Chicken sandwich it is, boys. All right, so here's the very berry lemonade.
You don't know how my name is?
Damn, that lemonade is fire.
Babe, no, this.
All right, guys, so here is the chicken sandwich. Damn, bro, are you getting nervous? No good quality, right?
No, like the presentation and the other one was
This is good.
I didn't know that coleslaw made up the whole thing.
Ask for it on the side.
It's good though. It's really good. I don't think it's the best chicken sandwich, but it's good. It's a lot. If Chick-fil-A can make chicken like this,
About that, you didn't
Fire.
like not giving your mom to your car. Your mom to your mom was not.
So I got mine pretty plain. Kind of regret that, but it's still really good. The chicken is really. Oh, there's still some here. All right, let's see. I'm not a big coleslaw guy. That's the thing. Let me see how it's supposed to look like. Yeah. See,
I
that's.
love mostly.
Yeah. I'm super boring though. Before I'm not a big coleslaw. You know this.
It doesn't taste like regular coleslaw. It has like a sweet, tangy.
All right, so really funny situation, but basically we got another burger. And I'm gonna try it now with the coleslaw.
Piña colada. When we found out,
Let's
Look at
go.
Bryce's face, he's so nervous. If it's not good.
Wait, so where?
there's CVS is right there.
Yeah, better?
Like the chicken was already really good itself.
Yeah.
So when you add the extra bit of coleslaw, which is not really like the traditional coleslaw that I'm used to, the shitty kind, it's pretty good. And it also has like berries in it, so it is kind of like sweet at the same time. Okay guys, so now we're heading back home. That was a pretty nice rally. It was about 2 hours or so of driving. Now it's about 2 hours on the way back. The Berry Fresh Cafe was really good. The chicken sandwich, you had to give it some of that coleslaw to really give it some more like flavor. But it was really, really good. If Chick-fil-A could have a chicken like that, I think you'd pretty much master the chicken industry. But guys, it was pretty good. Don't know if I would drive another 2 hours though, not gonna lie. I think for a breakfast place, I would do Kiki or something like that.